So the CEO made a custom combination for me, and he told me to go out and to showcase how hard it is to guess the code. So I handcuffed myself to the railroad track to the cable that attaches to the StopBox. So now I'm gonna try to guess the code and escape. Okay, so we have to press down, fingers, and there's half presses. Oh shoot. Well, I definitely didn't get out. Turns out 81 possible combinations is a lot, and I don't think I could get into it even if I have to. So yeah, I would say it's pretty secure. So I'm gonna have to get the handcuff key now.